Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to our new video. In this video I am going to show you how to add reflection effect to image in Microsoft Word. Let's get started. At first we have to open a Word document. Then we add reflection effect to an image. Firstly we insert an image in this document. Go to the insert menu and click picture option. Then we choose a picture from our file and insert it. Now we can see here we insert a picture, then we resize this picture some small and click the picture, go to the format menu. Then we can see here many options, we find and select the picture effect option. Then we see here this reflection effect and we select any effect on this drop down menu. Now I select this effect and we can see here we added reflection effect to an image very easily. Now we can see here this image is reflected image. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.